Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Khizar Abbas Sindhu. I am consultant orthopedic surgeon at Zamzam Hospital, Hyderabad. Today I want to share my experience and some knowledge about our most common disease in the aged people of the about 50 to 60 years age. Most of the people presented to me in my OPD with the complaints of pain in the knee joints. Some have the swellings and they relate different problems with it. These patients are neglected from the physicians also because patients didn't understand their disease. Okay, what is their problem and what is their proper treatment? We divide this osteoarthritis of the knee joint into the 4 stages. Okay, and every stage have different treatment. Stage 1, 2 have conservative treatment. Stage 3 and 4 most of the times surgical procedures. So when the patient didn't understand what is their problem and he didn't get the right treatment, so their complaints not resolved and they suffered a lot. Today I share with you some material to give all of you the basic knowledge, okay, what is the problem and how we get the proper treatment and with the consultation of a right doctor. So you guys look at this. Please have a close up of these are the two X-rays in which one is a normal joint and the other is a osteoarthritic joint. You can see that there is a normal joint space, no osteophytes. You can clearly see. But on the other X-ray, you can see there is a loss of the joint space and there are multiple osteophytes. There is also the osteoporosis. Okay. So actually, what happened? You can see this is the cartilage and bone, and these are the joint ligaments. These are the areas which got erosion degradation with the aging, with passage of times, and when the joint moves, patient have the pains. Again, look at this. This is the normal. This is the abnormal. These are the X-rays of all the 4 stages 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see obviously there is a big difference in this and this X-rays. With the time all joint space is reduced and patient have the severe complaints. This is the implant of the total knee replacement. Again you can look this, there is a loss of the articular surface. These are all the stages 1, 2, 3 and 4. Most of the patients ask me when I advise them that their problem solution is the total knee replacement, and he asked me what is the joint replacement. You can see that this is the implant which we put on the knees. We cut the surfaces of the joint which are osteoarthritic, and after that, after this procedure, patient will be pain free. Again, these are the stages of the osteoarthritis. Again, you can look, this is the osteoarthritic joint, and after the joint replacement, this is the actual view. Now I want to share with you people a real X-ray and real patient, okay, with the consent of the patient. Look at this X-ray of the Mr. Muhammad Aslam, around 55 years age. This is the right side, this is the left. You can see there is a loss of the joint space, multiple osteophytes, and patient have the severe complaints of the pain in the knee joint and the swelling. तो मैं उनको असलम साहब आइएगा, ये देखें इनको चलने में भी मुश्किल पेश आ रही है, ही इज़ लिम्पिंग। अच्छा असलम साहब, छोटी जी एक वीडियो ਅਸੀਂ बना रहे हैं ताकि दूसरे बहुत सारे लोगों का भी फायदा हो सके और ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਮਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਇਲਾਜ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਖੱਬੇ ਗੋਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਰਦ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਅਰਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ?
हो गए ने कोई 6 महीने।
6 महीने हो गए ने
जी।
उठन बैठन लगे तकलीफ होंदी तकलीफ होंदी है। इलाज कराया तुसी ਇਹਦਾ?
जी कराया।
की कराया ਇਹਦੇ?
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੀਕੇ ਸ਼ੀਕੇ ਵੀ ਲਵਾਏ ਨੇ, ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ।
ਅੱਛਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ?
ਫਰਕ ਹੈ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਅਰਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਇਹ ਕੋਈ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲ
6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਦੁਸ਼ਵਾਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਅੱਛਾ ਇਹ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹਰਕਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਦਰਦ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ
ਬੜੀ ਦਰਦ ਹੋਈ
ਬੜੀ ਦਰਦ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਬਹਾਓਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੋ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ as you see ke patient have the pain, he have difficulty in the walking and he is in very too much misery. Inshallah we will treat him and I will share with you the results of the treatment and how the patient is satisfied there after the treatment. I think so okay, you people guide your elders and your friends always choose the right treatment and a right doctor at the right place. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.